Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to do a quick review of this Ox Alpha free AI model. This just released today, and it is very good most of the time. I have used it the whole day for lots of bug fixes, lots of designs, and everything. And I just want to give a quick review of what it is and how it's very good. So here I used it from open code Go, the subscription, and it has infinite usage for now. And I previously used to use DeepSeek if my codex got over or Muse Spark 1.2, but now today I fully used Ox Alpha free, and some of the EPRs that it gave me was very good, but I had to hit continue a lot of times to get it to work. But now I think it's uh, the open code team fixed it, I guess. So now it's good. So let's see some PRs it has been making for me right over here. So it made I did lots of bug fixes. I did a lot of new code things. So if you can see over here, it made this changes. So it fixed some test cases for me, it fixed some sentry issues for me, and which was perfect. I didn't even have to review code. It pushed it verified it fixed greptile bugs, and I don't think greptile gave any. It gave 5 out of 5, and it just fixed everything and pushed to prod and verified in prod, and everything worked. So that's one. And then one other thing is it pushed something into the app store for me. So I've been working on this Mac app for now, and this pushed everything to the app store for me today, like 6 hours ago. And that also worked. Nothing out of ordinary there. So I just asked it to push something, and I had to give it a lot of continuous in it, but that should be fixed now. Even in here it just stopped in the middle, and then I had to say continue to make it work. And for Niram, which is like a Figma plugin, it actually did a good job of creating the dark mode light mode toggle. So if you can see here, it created this dark mode light mode toggle fully. It went through all the components, all the blocks, everything, and then added good light mode from shared scene variables there. So yeah, so that's good. And if you see the code for this, so right over here, yeah, it wrote like very good code. I actually didn't have even had to read it, but it went through all the files, everything that needs updating, and it wrote some good test for it, and to make sure the bugs that I pointed out now happens again. So it was there wasn't very much bugs. It's just one or two things that I forgot to tell, and it updated that, and it pushed everything to GitHub, and the plugin worked beautifully. So yeah, uh, so those kind of code related things were perfect, 10 out of 10, no questions. But the designs were not there. I asked it to create some components for me, UI components for me, similar to this thing that I designed today. So similar to this thing, I just wanted to ask some ideas for this, but it didn't give me anything. It was very blanket statement, and it was very like old UI. So I had to go in and update everything from start to get this UI. So the UI is still not good, the design is still not good, but everything else, thinking is almost like Sol level, GPT Sol level, or even maybe Fable level. I haven't played with Fable that much, but it looks like Fable level, and all its questions, all its plans, everything was perfect. So yeah, it's a good model. It's fully free for now, and I think it's free for like a week or so, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's free for a week, and yeah, try it out. And it's a very good model. It's better than DeepSeek, it's better than MuseSpark, and it is almost at the same level as Fable or maybe Sol. So yeah, try it out and let me know how it goes. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.